You need some help, Mike? Okay. All right, hold it up, Ray.
Yeah, so there's a couple lines probably through here.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's yeah, I don't know.
Well, we'll see what Ray does.
See if he squeezes through there.
Yeah.
You might have to go up over that.
You know what? We should cut that tree, Mike. We should cut this tree right here,
Yeah.
and then guys can come over and curve around pretty good. I don't think so. I think that, well, you try it. If that moss slips.
So we did this before. We came up over that pile of rocks. We're gonna hit that
Yeah.
Ray, I wouldn't do that. You're gonna hit your A-pillar.
Tree. Slingshot that thing around there, huh? Jeez, Ray, that's looking good. Watch your arm. Quite a... You got it, man. All right, you know what you got to do. Yeah. Nice. It's just gently going to back it up a little bit and try to reposition so we can get in between that tree right there. Okay. All right, watch it. Yeah, you're right on the tree. Very careful. Hard, driver. You get through this. We cut that tree. One more time. A little bit of finesse here. So Ray is up against this huge tree, and he's just taking his time with little bites. I think once Ray gets through this, if we take this tree, it's going to be a whole lot easier to make the sweep. I mean, it's going to fall right down here. We might have to back Colin up or... Not yet. One more bite. One more bite, I think. Same thing, man. Kiss it, back up, hard passenger. He's just taking little nibbles. He's going to get it. Yeah, right there. Hard, hard driver. Wow. Excellent, excellent. I think, go easy. Front locker. Slow. Yeah. Yes, go, go. Yeah. Yeah. Man, you earned that. Yeah, I think he's going to climb that rock. Woo! Easy, yeah. Straighten it out, yeah. Excellent. Damn, that was some good driving right there.
Back on top.
That was, yeah, back on top. You redeemed yourself.
Ready to go up to the right of that big cluster of trees, Mike. Hang on. Try to push it back. Try to push it.
There it goes. Hey, perfect. Now just, you know, this is not, yeah, this has got to at least square. Hey, if you want to do what Ray does, just cut that there. Hey, you redeemed yourself, brother.
Yeah?
All right. Colin and Jacob try to fit the growler in there. He's on that tree pretty good. Yeah, this is tough now because he's a very wide Jeep. And, you know, you got trees positioned in certain spots that make it difficult. There we go. Get that ass end over. Yes.
You have to take that turn in really wide.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to tell that to Mike, who's next. There
I think
you
you're
go.
going to have to come into this really wide. All the way out there.
There you go. Bounce off of it. Nice. Nice. Watch your eyes, Jacob. Nice job, man. Real good. Nice driving. Yep. All right, Mike was just looking over. He's got a couple options here. Could come in here where you make kind of like an S, or swing wide right in this area like the Growler did and come at it like that. I kind of like that line, but let's see what Mike decides. Looks like he's gonna take that line.
What we got to do right now, though, is just get everybody through here and get out of here. Yeah, we got to get and couple with him. So we'll do that. Yeah. We might have to reach off.
Watch out, guys. He's coming towards you. All right.
Go forward and then back.
Yep, yep.
Here and then put it in. Watch that thing.
Okay, you got the one tree on your passenger side in the back. All right, Mike took his time. He backed into there, and now he's lined up for this obstacle. There he goes. Really nice. Got great flex on this Jeep.
Alright, so a four-door can make it.
Excellent, excellent. Really nice. Good job, man. Look at the flex on this freaking thing. Yeah. That's some good driving, man. There you go. Wow. Okay, here comes Steve with his TJ, and he's gonna weave and bob and pretty much climb right in there like nothing. Look at that.
This is nice. Did you
Yeah, this
saw
is-
this side of it?
This is, I've never seen this part of the trail.
When we first cut this trail, I drove the Growler on this side, right here.
Yeah? Oh, and then this tree.
Barely slipped a
Yeah.
tire.
Look at this.
And
Look
we
at
knew
this.
there'd be more trees to cut here.
This is great. Nice job, Steve. Woo! Excellent. Man, made it look easy, brother.
It's always a struggle, but I have fun.
You got Brak Dragon or something?
Right. When I pull it apart, no brake dragon. So then I pull out the axle. The race. I can turn
I think Mike's got something different.
Put that front locker on. There it is. Excellent. Excellent. All right, time is working against us. I'm gonna be back at the camp for the festivities at 1600. We got one more Jeep to get through here, and we don't know what's up ahead. All right, our tail gunner today got himself a nice little challenge here, but again, a lot of experience. The JK is well built. She's riding high and true on 40s, so we'll see how he does. Yeah, I think you need that front locker for that. All right, Tim is taking his time. He doing basically what Mike had done, you know, pull forward, kind of back up, get your ass end far over there. He's got to nibble at it. He'll get the line he wants to fit in between those trees and come across there. Of course, he doesn't have too much room because we got a traffic jam here, but we're gonna get him up on this obstacle anyway, and you can see that the boys are moving forward way up there.
I just hugged the tree.
see, yet again, we've got a very aggressive trail here. A lot of loose rock. There it is. Yeah, man, he's having a banner day today, man. He wheeled that thing freaking hard today.
Mike.
Nice job, man. I think he's got a shock that's, something's creaking. Ah, come on, baby.
Back up. Passenger.
Well, you're aiming the right way.
Easy, keep going slow, slow.
Wow.
Mike again? The saga don't finish just yet?
Wow, look at that. That gets any worse, we're gonna have to put a strap on his cage.
What's he trying to do now? Come forward?
No, they're pulling him back now.
His tire's set. He's not going to go anywhere.
Okay.
He's gonna drop off
Whoops.
a little more on this side.
That was all right, let's look at what's going on. So unfortunately, look at the flex on that Jeep. That's pretty impressive. But anyway, Mike is in a pinch here because he's on his drive shaft. Tried to pull forward in neutral because he can't really turn his drive shaft because the weight of the vehicle is on it, on the boulder. So they tried pulling him back, and now you can see the precarious position he's in. So now we're thinking about maybe some type of forward angle pull.
Right here.
Strong angle pull here, huh? Jeez.
Same thing kind of happened to me, but I actually kind of pivoted off. Sit right on the back. I don't want to go forward now.
Man, that thing, oh, he's taking a chunk of the rock off. Look at that. Woo! Damn. Wow, that thing was stubborn.
Okay, release it. Release. See if you can come more.
Don't move.
Release more.
No. We good? Are we clear?
Yeah, we're clear.
This is about the most stubborn ass freaking.
He's got room going
Somehow
to
that
be backed up.
There it is.
Clifford's Mining Company.
Go forward back.
He carved that out, man. That freaking brick just broke.
That's nice. It's gonna make more
Yep, it's gonna help out. It's gonna help out.
Come forward now. Under that grate.
He's just working it carefully. So this trail, whatever this is, has been no joke. That was a tough one. Yeah, it was tough. You kept you cool, man. You did good. Another tight spot he has right there. We got Steve here, he came up and helped with the winch and he's just skirting up at the top. Very nice. Now he's gonna hit a little off camber.